This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Denise Lemming. Well-maintained sprawling brick rancher on almost an acre lot in a beautiful Marlbank Cove. The circular driveway welcomes you to the grand entrance that will set the tone for this beauty. Double doors open to an atrium west/tons of natural light. Sliding door 2021, overlooking the backyard green space. Ceramic tile throughout, except bedrooms, west/dual gas fireplace centrally located between the open family/atrium. Kitchen will bring the vintage/retro vibe as all the appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator 2019, cabinets and counters maintained in tip-top shape, smiles Prim. Bedroom west/fireplace 2019, walk-in closet and ensuite. All other bdrms includes ensuites and walk-in closets as well, west/plenty of storage space. Private oversized deck is prepared for any event/entertainment. Roof 2019, 7 skylights, 2022 seamless gutter, 2019 6 built-in bookcases, and even walk-in crawl space. April 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below.